Hello and welcome to Krita Blend. What can you expect from this channel at the moment? Well, at the moment I'm working on a colliery, underground workings, because I used to work in the coal mines. This is Markham Colliery, where I used to work from around about 1981 up to about 1988. I worked both underground and on the pit top, and I worked down number 4 pit. Number 4 pit can be seen on the left of this image, and that headstocks on the right is the coal winding from number 1 colliery and the black shale. Basically I've been working on a coal mine underground workings using Blender and Krita to create the textures and Blender to create the underground scenes and various bits of models to apply those textures to. I've been trying to get the sort of feeling correct in this. This is an unfinished conveyor belt by the side of a material supply track, and as you can see there's rusty girders and all sorts of other things. This is a flat section of the underground tunnel that I've been modelling. The conveyor belt in this image is more complete, and I've scaled the size of the girders down. I also tried to get another different way of doing the tins that the corrugated iron metal that would support the roof in this image. These are all works in progress, and I eventually hope to put some of the workings and the ways of modelling and also some of the textures that I create in Krita up on this channel. So I hope you'll stay tuned for this. If you've got any mining heritage in your family, I'm hoping that you'll also quite like this. It's impossible to go back in time and go underground and photograph these places, so that was the idea I had in sort of creating it in Blender, and it was my main driving force in actually learning how to use Blender. So hopefully you'll subscribe, stay tuned, and see what else comes out of this channel. Thanks very much. Bye.